let's compare some fractions. Welcome back to quarantine math or isolation math. I don't know what we want to call this segment. Let's go with quarantine math for now. So let's compare fractions. Fractions, remember, is a number that is smaller than a whole. It's part of something. It's a piece. Like if you're making brownies, I need half a cup of flour or half a cup of sugar. That's less than one whole cup. Okay. So these symbols, greater than, less than, equal to. I'm going to show you a couple different ways to compare these and justify it on a number line or with a picture. So let's compare 2/3 and 1/3. I'm going to start with these just having the same denominator, common denominators. So which one is greater? Remember, this symbol means it faces the number that is larger. The open side is the number that's larger, or if they're the same. Well, if they have the same denominator, I'm going to look at the top number. 2 is greater than 1. I think it goes like this. Let's justify that on a number line. Here's my number line. Here is 0/3. Here is 3/3. Because remember, a whole is 3 out of 3 because my part is 3. My denominator is 3. It's how many pieces are in one whole. So I'm going to split my line into thirds. 2 lines. 1, 2. 1/3, 2/3. Here's where this fraction goes. And here's where this fraction goes. Which one's greater? 2/3. Let's look at another one. This time I'm going to compare it using a picture instead of a number line. Okay? 3/5 and 4/5. So I'm going to draw two fraction strips that are the exact same size. When comparing fractions like this, it's important to make sure that our fraction strips are the exact same size or as close to it as possible. So they're both going to be split into fifths. 1, 2, 3, 4. I split it into 4 parts, gives me 5 pieces. Now I'm going to shade in 3 for the top bar because this is going to show me 3/5. 1, 2, 3. And the bottom bar is going to show 4/5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which is greater? 3/5 or 4/5? 4/5. So I'm going to say 3/5 is less than 4/5. Remember that opening space goes to the side that's greater, the larger fraction. Okay, let's do another one. So I'm going to show you both pieces of justification, both ways to clarify it, and you decide which one you like better. Let's compare 1/6 to 3/6. So I'm going to start with my number line. Here I'm going to put 0/6 at the start. And at the end I'm going to put 6/6 because a whole is 6 out of 6. And if I don't have any, it's 0/6. If I want 6, I'm going to make it 5 segments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I need to label where 1/6 goes. So that's 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6. And like 3/6, so that's 1, 2, 3. I already think I know the answer from this picture. Which one's greater? 3/6. Let's draw a picture to compare it as well. Remember my 2 fraction bars? One, and then the other right below it. I need 6 pieces, so I'm going to draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The top one I'm going to color in 1. And the bottom I'm going to color in 3. Again, which one's greater? 3/6. So which way is my symbol going to go? 1/6 or 3/6? 1/6 is less than 3/6. I hope you tune back in tomorrow where I'm going to show you how to do this when you have different denominators.